Joe Exotic TV is a licensed member of the U.S. Press Association. All video footage is owned by Oceanfront Productions in Belize. Some scenes may be recreated, reenacted, or dramatized for the purpose of entertainment only. Viewer discretion is advised.
Playtimes. I'll bring you in here, I'll give you my rules, and you can come in and pet and play with my baby tiger, take pictures with him, or you can come in and play with, let's see, I have skunks, foxes, and a coatimundi and a lemur, all animals. You just come in and play with the babies, take your own pictures and everything, get you some video, love on them, just like I do every day. So for a playtime, you can purchase them in the gift shop for $50 for 2 people, $5 for every additional person, and it lasts for 6 minutes. Or if you want to play with the tigers and the small animals, you can pay $80, $5 for every additional person. And what that really means is that you get to come in here and play with my baby tiger, and you get to love on it and pet him and take all the pictures and video you want with him. Get to figure out what we do every day of our lives for just a few minutes, and you can actually learn to love these guys and want to help them out in the long run after a while. You can also come here and you can play with a baby lemur. This is little Oscar Mayer there. And then we also have the baby coatimundi and some foxes and skunks. You can just come hold these guys, play with them, love on them. You guys come on here with me.
Been an awesome day so far. We took the endangered species tour, so we got to see a lot of
there's a lot of
animals. We got kissed by a camel. Did you get kissed by a camel? Then we got to play with a fox. I think this is the first time we are playing with a fox.
And we got to touch the wolf.
Yes.
Yeah, it was really awesome. The kids enjoyed.
I think it is a fun outing for
And we
one
also
day.
played with the tiger.
Yeah, we ended it with a playtime with a tiger.
Tiger.
I think that's awesome because this is the first time I'm getting to hold a tiger cub. It was a great awesome experience. And we got a whole 6 to 10 minutes to play with the cub. And I think kids had a lot of fun. Joshua, did you have a lot of fun?
No, I want to play.
Yeah, you can play, but did you play with the tiger?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Play with the toy.
Okay, Jessica, you want to tell what is the best part?
The best part is when I got to pet the tiger and he put his claw on me. It was so ticklish.
Yeah, we got to touch the snake too. Yeah, it was a little bit creepy.
This is an awesome place to bring friends together as well.
Yeah, the kids would really love this place.
Yeah, I think this is an awesome place.